It's showtime. So we're going to go ahead and bring out Kazuo and Kazuma for how Nissan accelerated software-defined vehicle development with AWS. This is going to be a great one. Thanks so much for your patience. Come on out. Let's go. All righty. Take it away.
Okay. Hi, good evening, everyone. So welcome to reInvent 2025. Now, I'm super excited to be here to present today's topic. That is how Nissan accelerated software-defined vehicle development with AWS. So before jumping into today's contents, I would like to set the stage and run you through the agenda. The first of all, Simon-san mentioned about the Nissan SDV strategy and concept. After that, I will take over, and I mentioned about Nissan SDV acceleration with our AWS. And finally, Nissan future SDV vision with generative AI that will be revealed. Okay. Then it's showtime. So now let's see who is the Nissan and what Nissan is doing now.
Others don't, is what defines us.
Hello, I'm Kazuma Sugimoto from Nissan. Today, I will share Nissan's vision of software-defined vehicle. SDV is not just a new technology. It is a new way of thinking about a vehicle. We aim to create a vehicle that can evolve, adapt, and improve over time, just like a human brain evolves. Let's begin by exploring how Nissan SDV strategy will transform our customer experience. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI is positioned strategic enabler for our SDV transformation, and also key area of competitiveness in the automotive industry. For example, our partnership with Wave will bring AI-powered vehicle to customer in 2027. We are building AI agent to communicate with customer, making every journey unique. AI helps us develop software faster. We can respond quickly to our customer needs. As technology and customer expectations are always evolving, we at Nissan welcome this change. Lead to way with innovation to create vehicle faster, smarter, safer, and more personal. Let's look at the construct of Nissan SDV, focusing on key business drivers and core technology enablers to create realized value. To enhance our customers' digital lifestyle, we are focused on personalization through upgradability. This will also establish new recurring revenue stream for Nissan and value chain player across the entire vehicle life cycle. We are orchestrating the ecosystem by connecting vehicle and customer with cloud. Our goal is to quickly and continuously deliver unique driving experience to all of our customers, tailored to their preference, while ensuring safety and vehicle performance. From next, I will explain our enablers. These will be used by our regional engineer and also open for third parties. I'm really happy to announce the name of our SDV platform, Nissan Scalable Open Software Platform. Globally, first time to announce full structure of the name. What is your first impression of this name? Too long. I think so too. But this name represents the goal we aim to fulfill. We are building scalable and open software platform. It includes Nissan Scalable Open Data, tool for developer to create new application and services. Nissan Scalable Open Data, easy access to our vehicle data for data-driven value generation with ensuring security. Nissan Scalable Open OS, a flexible operating system for vehicle supporting to update and upgrade for new features. These platforms help us innovate faster and work with partners around the world. I'll touch upon the deep dive on our platform. This is overall structure of our SDV platform. Our platform covers not only three major enablers, but also vehicle systems, over-the-air reprogramming, OTA, user interface, engineering cloud, and more. Data comes from OS, is analyzed and transformed for software development. New application developed by SDK and back to OS for customer. This seamless cycle and cyclic speed is the most important. So, look again. Data comes from all vehicles, analyzing and transform for new value software development in SDK. That application back to your vehicle through OTA. This open software platform is foundation for future SDV development. And our collaboration with AWS helps us to move forward towards our SDV vision. I will hand over to Kajimoto-san to explain Nissan and AWS collaboration detail. Kajimoto-san, please.
Thank you, Sugimoto-san. Yeah, as Sugimoto-san mentioned, this is the Nissan's software, scalable open software platform. This is the very first, globally first time to announcement. Yeah, so now I'm the Kazuo Kajimoto, Principal Solutions Architect in AWS. I would like to dive deeper how AWS collaborated to accelerate to realize the Nissan's scalable open software platform. And AWS has collaborated with Nissan from 2023. And the SDV supports, SDV on AWS supports three main pillars. One is the tool on AWS. In the Nissan, it is named Engineering Cloud. So tools on AWS provide the quick deployment, fast CI/CD automation, and global scalability. And this is the base of AI agent for developers. And the second pillar is the target on AWS. This is the virtual ECU. Thanks to AWS Graviton can provide the real-time virtual ECU that is binary compatible with physical ECU according to the environmental parity. And in Nissan, then this is the digital twin architecture. And Nissan commits to provide the 3OS layer virtualization. 3OS operating system consists of the AutoSAR and real-time OS for functional safety. And the third one is the Linux. And lightweight container management on Linux, it is so important. After that, I will touch upon this. And here's seamless linkage. And those kind of the items are based on the AI agent for customers. That is the drivers and passengers. And the third pillar is the data-driven on AWS. That is data platform. Data platform provides scale and reliable vehicle data acquisition. And data mesh framework. And finally, regional privacy policy compliance. So then, today, I mainly focus on the engineering cloud on Nissan's scalable open software platform. Please look at the figure. This is the block diagram of the engineering cloud in the Nissan scalable open software platform, as Sugimoto-san mentioned. And the engineering cloud on AWS provides three big features. First one is a CI process automation, which achieved the testing time reduction to the 75% of. And second one is a workbench portal. That is provides a global accessibility and quick deployment around 1 minute. And the third one is a lightweight container management with Photoman, which provides a better security, fewer resources, and seamless integration. So then, this figure describes the architecture of first features, CI process automation. And this CI process automation consists of sequential two shield pipelines. One is a model code software components shield pipeline. Then second one is the integration shield pipeline. And thanks to HPC adoption and the parallel processing by auto-scaling and Lambda, then this architecture achieves 75% execution time reduction relative to original on-premise environment. Very fast CI/CD environment we achieved. The second feature is the workbench portal. This is the architecture diagram. And this workbench portal provides globally accessibility so that each region can deploy common and regional specific environment. And Nissan plans to onboard more than 5,000 developers in near future. And this workbench portal consists of the two layers. One is the container image builder. The second one is a runner. So using this kind of the two layers structure, then it provides very high-speed deploy around 1 minute. And Docker in Docker capability also supported. Docker in Docker means each tool is represented by the container, and multiple container images are packing into the one container. So then we named this is technology as Docker in Docker. And we simply realize this Docker in Docker capability with our code build. Okay. And third feature is the lightweight container management with Podman. So some of you guys heard about the terminology of Podman. So Podman is one of the container manager, and which provides security is very good and the fewer resources than current conventional Docker. And Nissan commits to provide this Podman not only the virtual environment, but also physical ECUs. So then each region can deploy container applications to Nissan scalable open software platform, such as in-vehicle. And Podman runs across physical ECU, virtual ECU, and workbench. So this is a digital twin architecture. And finally, this architecture is integrated to next AI-driven vehicle. So AI agents work in the vehicle. This is our concept and our collaboration with Nissan. Then I'd like to hand over Sugimoto-san again.
Thank you, Kajimoto-san. Now, let's look at the future roadmap of SDV with generative AI. As I said earlier, AI is a strategic enabler to realize our SDV vision. Our SDV roadmap is clear, and along with our in-house software development partner, we are adapting new technology as they evolve. I will now introduce our SDV roadmap with AI in more detail now. We are adapting AI in our SDV roadmap, which includes next generation ProPilot to customer in 2027. This enables door-to-door driving for customer with AI driver. Going forward, AI ecosystem and AI-based software development. It will support with ensuring quick software development and development cycle. Our roadmap prepares fast development. Our roadmap prepares us for the future innovation, so we can meet customer needs with confidence. Let's look at the video clip to see how AI brings idea to life.
Your vehicle is your personal escape, now becoming smarter with AI, and always tailored to you.
It's getting hot. I want the windows to close and the AC to start automatically when it gets hot.
Simply speak your wishes. The onboard AI connects to the cloud instantly for real-time analysis. Your personal cloud-based AI will custom-build software to upgrade your vehicle and match your style.
Wow.
Bring your ideas to life without limits.
Thank you for attention. Nissan will continuously provide your AI experience with high quality and safety. For today, this is all from my side. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you.
Thank you so much.